Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video we're going to review how your car doors can be impacted if your vehicle is parked in the hot sun and what else can happen inside the vehicle. Now, you've likely already experienced the dramatic increase in interior temperature when getting into a car parked in the sun. These temperatures inside the vehicle can easily reach 20 to 30 degrees Fahrenheit or 11 to 17 degrees Celsius higher than the outside. This is due to the greenhouse effect, where the car's windows allow in solar radiation but restrict the escape of heat. As the air inside the car heats up, it expands, causing the pressure to rise. This can lead to a stuffy, uncomfortable environment. The car's seats, steering wheel, and dashboard can become extremely hot to the touch, posing a burn risk if touched. Plastics, fabrics, and other materials in the car's interior can release volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, when heated, leading to an unpleasant odor, otherwise known as off-gassing. Prolonged exposure to high temperatures can cause premature aging and degradation of interior components like leather, plastic, and rubber, which shortens their lifespan. There's also a risk of car batteries overheating and potentially failing. High temperatures over a period of time comes with a risk of overcharging. The heat can interfere with your vehicle's voltage regulator and other components of the charging system. Excessive heat can also cause another interesting issue. The pressure differential can affect the closing of your car doors, especially if you have a hatchback. Last week I was walking my dog and my neighbor was completely frustrated that his vehicle's hatch wouldn't close fully, which caused his alarm to beep continuously because the door stayed ajar. So car doors are generally more difficult to close when all the windows are shut compared to when one of the windows is open. This is due to the pressure differential created inside the car cabin. See, when all the windows are shut, the closing of the car door can cause a sudden change in air pressure inside the cabin. As the doors push closed, the air inside the cabin gets compressed, creating a higher pressure environment. This increased pressure makes it harder to push the door closed against the outward force of the air. In my neighbor's case, his automatic doors didn't have enough force to close his hatch. So, to solve the issue, we had to close his vehicle doors in a certain sequence. By leaving one of the front doors open, followed by closing the biggest door, which was his hatch. Then, close the front door. When one door or window is open, air can flow in and out of the cabin more easily when the biggest door is closed. The open window or door allows the displaced air to escape the cabin as the hatch is closed, which makes the process a lot easier. Window indexing also makes the closing process effortless, if that feature is available. This problem is more noticeable amongst newer, smaller hatchback cars with great sealed interiors. And there you have it. If your automatic door closures are having an issue closing the doors or hatch in the heat, just start with one door open, then close the hatch, followed by the door. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on Your Home Garage.